Shabin friends. So today I'm in Nebraska, but when Jason and I are in Nebraska, we are always thinking about the Shabin and our next project there and when we can get back. Yeah, turns out we have to come back here, we have to work, we have to run, we have two businesses, so we come back here, manage everything, and then go up there for a week to 10 days, sometimes 2 weeks. So even when we're back in Nebraska, we're doing Shabin projects. So today I am gonna take this pile of wood. I believe it's 1 by 6 by 8 feet. So 6 inches, I don't know, it's probably like 5.5. But yeah, I'm gonna take this pile of lumber and I'm gonna make our bathhouse floor, which I'm pretty excited about. Yeah, so first things first, you need a belt sander. This is my favorite tool. So I'm gonna take this belt sander and I'm going to basically round all the edges of the top, whichever side I pick to be the top of the floor, I'm gonna take and sand all those edges. So yeah, start there, and then I'm gonna lay it out on the floor and beat it with log chains and hammers and whatnot, but we'll get on to that in a second. Hey, thanks for following along. We appreciate it. This is where it gets exciting. Oh.
Wasn't that exciting?
That was really exciting.
So, this thing is, I don't know if they all have this problem, but this one in particular definitely has the problem. And maybe you can, what do you call that when they say, maybe you can respond? Write a comment? Yeah, they say comment below.
Yeah.
Comment down here, whatever that means. But every time I turn this thing on, so there's, I don't know, there must be like some type of pressure valve in here or something. When I turn this on too fast, or this thing won't work. I have to look at the hose move just from the pressure there. I barely have it on.
Okay. It's finicky.
It is.
Now you got it.
Well,
maybe. Oh yeah.
And this thing is barely turned on at all. Like barely. If I turn that on all the way, she doesn't.
It won't work. All right, burn it up.
It's so hot when you do that though.
It is so hot.
Like, do you like to use it like this better?
Let's get right to it.
Where you're swinging this thing.
Oh yeah.
You don't want to get around, you know.
Yeah, there's a lot of flammable things in here, but I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? Really pulls out the grain. Gorgeous. Jason's got a flamethrower. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Woo! Yeah, we talk about how you know, watching things on YouTube, how you can't, it's hot.
It is hot.
It's 90 some degrees. It's 100. They say it feels like 105 or 106. So
Yeah, so
just a little flame. I mean that helps.
it definitely heated up in here, for sure.
Boy, doesn't that bring out the natural touch?
It really does. It's really pretty. And now I'm going to heat it up with a log chain and some hammers and anything else I can find to drop on it. Hey, good work.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, so now it's time to beat this thing up. All right, I found just a couple random heavy things. I'm just literally gonna throw things around, take this chain, drop it. Do that, and then also take, like I said, and just throw stuff around. Very random. You get the idea. Let's speed it up a little bit. All right, now what you up to?
You remember this?
I do. We bought it in South Dakota
Yeah.
at an antique shop.
Yeah.
Because everybody knows we love antique shops.
Yeah.
Okay. So it is a brand.
Right.
And the Shabin floor actually has 2 brands in it. Just for fun. Why not just burn?
You know what? You should send this to that Laura Farms girl in Nebraska.
Oh, because it does say LF, doesn't it?
It's LF.
LF!
Yeah.
It means really nothing to us other than we got it.
I decided it means Laura's fantastic.
Oh, you're so nice.
Laura's floor.
Laura's floor. That's actually perfect.
Yeah.
Not like lots of fun.
Or let's, never mind.
Oh, let's go with Laura's floor.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna heat it up. Let her get real hot. Yes. You'll have to excuse the extreme disaster in here. As you can see, the shop looks a little hoarded. We've been cleaning out a house that we acquired. We've been cleaning out a house that we acquired, and there's a lot of sellable good things, so I've been bringing it to the shop and probably gonna have to have a garage sale in the next month or so. But that's what all that is. I promise we're not hoarders. It actually drives me absolutely bonkers. Come to the garage sale. Yeah. I'll have to show you guys a little snippet of what we've been up to while we've been back home. But anyways, back to this floor.
Did you tell them we get to go to the Shabin on Wednesday?
We do. We're heading back to the Shabin this week. Yay, Shabin. I cannot wait also. I'll get her heated up equally. See, try it a little bit on the floor. What?
I'm gonna give her a try.
Okay. On the test board. Oh gosh, I don't want to start myself on fire. Oh. Yeah. Laura's floor. Oh, that's pretty darn cool.
at Yellowstone?
No. Let's
Rick
not.
would do it.
I don't
If
want
Rick
to.
was here, he'd do it.
I don't want to burn my skin. No.
Where do you want this other one?
Just somewhere over there-ish. Like right here. Here.
Under the bathtub?
No, it's like, no, right here.
Okay.
Right here. LF. Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? Laura's floor. Not lots of fun. Pretty neat. Okay, well, while I'm this close to it, I might as well show you what the chain and other things I drop. Kind of distress it down. That way when I get it in the bathhouse, if it gets scratched or nicked or whatever, it'll just blend in with what's already going on. Okay, so the Shabin floor I stained with red oak, and I'm either out of red oak or I cannot find it in this mess of a shop. So, because I'm cheap and I don't want to run to the store, I'm going to attempt to mix, this is early American and Joko bean. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the Joko bean, if that's how you even say that, to the early American to make it a little bit darker. Maybe add a little more of this. I'll just add all of it. Both these cans were like half full. This one was like a quarter full, so unfortunately I can't tell you the exact ratios. I'm just mixing them together and calling it happy. Yeah, I think that'll be beautiful. All right, so here's what the stained area looks like compared to the not stained. And burning the grains really makes it pop. That's gonna be really pretty. All right, we got a whole floor to go. 6 by 8. Here we go. So for our next exciting step, I use just oil-based polyurethane. This just happens to be satin. It's what I have. And I'm just gonna dump it in a roller pan, and I am going to use a roller on a broomstick that screws into here. And I'm just literally gonna roll it on. Mop the flow.
I like
Properly.
it. That's really pretty.
It is pretty, isn't it? I'm excited to drive 8 hours north and install it. But a couple more days and we'll be doing that. All right, guys, I'm back. It's the next day. The polyurethane is dry. Thank goodness, because it was very humid here yesterday and I was concerned that it wasn't gonna dry in time. So it's dry and I'll show it to you guys, and then I'm gonna load it up into the pickup because we are leaving for the Shabin tomorrow morning. Yay! So I can't wait to get up there. I imagine we'll get up there and probably like 1 or 2 o'clock tomorrow we'll arrive, and then I'll probably lay it's not the Shabin floor, the bathhouse floor, probably tomorrow afternoon. So I'm pretty excited to install it. I love to do the finishing touches on projects like that. So this is the first step of the inside. We need a floor. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys quick. Boom, floor. Isn't that pretty? It's definitely not near as red as the floor I did inside the Shabin, but that's okay. Look at the grain. It's just gorgeous. And our Laura's Floor brand. Where's the other one? Oh yes, there it is. Gorgeous. Just some 8-foot by 1 inch by 6 inch pine boards, just the cheap stuff. So, oops, I got footprints on it, but it is a floor, so. And now to just like end this video out, I thought I would show you guys a little bit of what we do back at home. We own a landscaping business, so we obviously run several crews, and then on the side we do property management, and we recently acquired a house and we started to clean it out, which is why all this stuff is behind me in the shop and it's just a hot mess in here. But anyway, I just thought I would entertain you guys a little bit with what we've been dealing with. It's quite atrocious, and we're gonna take a little break and head to the Shabin tomorrow, but this is what we've been up to. So enjoy. It's, yeah, you'll just have to see it. You'll understand. It's crazy. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. And again, if you enjoy them, please subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. You can put your comments below, questions, whatever. We'll try to get to them and answer you. And again, thank you for following us along on our crazy YouTube journey. Bye.